Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to create a quick in-depth comparison review about these two SEO tools platform, which is Ahrefs and Ubersuggest. Ahrefs in 2025 remains a powerhouse for serious SEO work. It offers an anonymous backlink index, advanced keywords research, and a content gap analysis, site audit, and a competitors tracking, all in one professional grade dashboard. Agencies and large business rely on Ahrefs for its depth of details and precision, making it ideal uh, for you to build a long-term SEO strategy, uncover link opportunity, and stay ahead in competitive niche. Ubersuggest, by contrast, is designed for simplicity and affordability. It delivers keyword suggestions, search volume data, basic site audit, and content ideas in an easy-to-use interface. Freelancers, bloggers, and small business appreciate how quickly they can generate keyword lists and get actionable insight without the cost or complexity of enterprise tools. And here's the very conclusion. Pick Ahrefs if you need a comprehensive data-rich SEO platform for serious growth, but choose the Ubersuggest if you want a budget-friendly, beginner-friendly tools to handle essential keyword research and light optimization tasks. And that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. If you did, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more. Thanks.